Britney Spears and her new husband Sam Asghari have hit back at her ex-husband Kevin Federline after he made public claims about their family dynamics. Watch the video above. Britney Spears shares a glimpse of her wedding to Sam Asghari. For more celebrity-related news and videos, check out Celebrity. Spears and Asghari have since said they were saddened that the private family matter has been made public. The boys have decided they are not seeing her right now, Federline told the Daily Mail on Sunday. It's been a few months since they've seen her. They made the decision not to go to her wedding. He also alleged that part of the fallout had to do with her Instagram. "It's been tough," he said. "It's the most challenging thing I've ever had to do in my life." The 40-year-old wrote, "As we all know, raising teenage boys is never easy for anyone. It concerns me the fact that the reason is based on my Instagram. It was long before Instagram. I gave them everything. Only one word: hurtful. I'm sharing this because I can. Have a good day, folks." Spears' husband, Sam Asghari, also shared his thoughts on the matter as well. "There is not validity to his statement regarding the kids distancing themselves, and it is irresponsible to make that statement publicly," Asghari, 28, said on his Instagram story. "Kevin's gravy train will end soon, which probably explains the timing of these hurtful statements," he added. Loading Instagram post. Sam Asghari lashes Federline. "I do not know him personally and have nothing against him aside from him choosing to vilify my wife. His character is revealed by approval of the cruel 13-year conservatorship by Spears' father, and his loyalty to Spears' father, Jamie, indicates his approval at time of its conception as well." Dramatic moment. Britney Spears' furious ex-husband gatecrashes wedding. Jaden and Sean did not attend Spears' wedding in June 2022. Spears rarely shares photos of her children, but she did post a snap of her and the boys standing in the middle of a field in March 2021. In her caption, she noted how crazy it is how time flies because her boys are so big now. Spears and Federline were engaged in 2004 after 3 months of dating. They welcomed their children in 2005 and 2006 and filed for divorce in 2006. More from 7 Entertainment.
And finally, thank you all for watching the video. Please like and comment your opinion so we can discuss together. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell to follow and update many other interesting news. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.